Today the topic is growth hormone and insulin resistance. Growth hormone is released in small pulses which is used to operate in lipase enzyme. So high glycemic foods are always associated with the insulin resistance. During the feeding, the growth hormone uses the glucose, proteins and fat and converts them into bodybuilding, increasing the lean body mass. During fasting, the growth hormone utilizes the hepatic glucose production, thereby maintains the blood glucose. The blood glucose should be monitored between 70 to 99 so that the brain can work. The fasting will be there around 20 hours, 24 hours, only we eat for 40 minutes or 1 hour. Rest of the time, the sugar is maintained by the growth hormone, which causes release of the glucose from the hepatic. This is called hepatic glucose production. First sign that growth hormone when given as an injectable form or during stress, lack of sleep is free fatty acid release. It causes lipolysis. Growth hormone also causes raised due to mental stress, agony, and repeated fasting, daytime fasting, which produces interference with the insulin post-receptor signaling and causes insulin resistance. So either increase in growth hormone or decrease in growth hormone, in both the ways it causes insulin resistance. Growth hormone, by increasing resistance, the pancreatic beta cell has to produce more amount of insulin and triggers diabetes. Growth hormone also has a role in cholesterol pathway, as carbohydrate receptor protein is managed by the insulin, which in control the cholesterol, thereby dyslipidemia can occur. There is a LDL to HDL reesterification is controlled by the insulin. Because of insulin resistant post-receptor signaling, there will be decreased HDL. So the first sign of diabetes is high triglycerides, which are increased due to free fatty acid release, which are released because of the increased growth hormone activity. Free fatty acid initially supports the insulin sensitivity of the pancreatic beta cell and also increases the insulin production. Hence, 80% of the obese people are not diabetic. And also, free fatty acid, it interferes with the post-receptor insulin signaling by either due to multiple pathways, and it causes insulin resistance, and thereby the patient can go into diabetes. As the insulin controls the cholesterol metabolism and also the LDL and HDL, there will be once there is insulin resistance because of the post-receptor signaling loss, there will be increased LDL and low HDL and increased triglycerides. This insulin resistant gold test is hyperinsulinic glycemic clamp model, which is called a gold test, whereas clinically only HOMA-IR and triglyceride index are done. So take home points are growth hormone not only controls the protein metabolism, but it also has a major role in glucose metabolism. It increases the post-hepatic glucose production, and 24 hours it maintains the glucose levels so that the brain can work. Similarly, it also has a post-receptor insulin resistance, and thereby it can cause dyslipidemia. And the first sign of growth hormone is lipolysis and increased free fatty acid. Thank you.